Welcome again to this channel, Rotich the Legend, aka the King Tool Engineer Nangura. Today we are making sure that we have enough handles for whoever that is interested in it. So here I begin the job of fabricating the handles for the walking tractor. Okay, yeah man. So I'm trying to make it a shape of, yeah man, just like that. So guys, here are the materials. These ones are for the gear levers. Also this one. And this one, these three. This is for the clutch and the brake. And this one is the partition between the handles. Those are the handles. So what are we talking about? We are talking about 3 handles for the 3 tractors, 3 gear levers for 3 tractors. Yeah man, there we go. We got some other stuffs over here. For the same tractor, this one is also this one here. I'm making sure everything comes into a line. Yeah man. So these are 3 tractors you see over here. So guys, here is where we have reached with our handles. Like the way I told you, these are 3 tractors. For whoever that is interested out there, please make an order very early as possible, because you may be ending up missing one of these handles, because you know the demand might be rising every day. Okay, so step by step, this is how we go. We're going like this by fabricating our handles. Okay, yeah man. At Rotich the Legend, aka the Kingpin, the engineer Nangurai. Keep on watching, keep on following, and see. Please don't miss to give a like and also a comment on the comment section down there. Make sure that you reach out. And by the way, there's a contact down there at the comment section, or there at the description. You will see my contact. If you are interested and you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, and then click a notification bell for every information that is out there. The one I post, you'll be the first one to receive it. So yeah man. Actually, those are the clutch handle. Okay, clutch handles. This one. Clutch versus the brake. Those are the ones to be controlling. Gear levers, the way I told you. Yeah man. So guys, the handles are already done. So we just have to bring the tractor here at this garage so that we can try to fit and see how the way they look like, and then if they're ready as the way I can see them they are, then the remaining things is just to go and paint them, and then you guys, you can just begin sending the orders, or you can just do anything necessary so that you can get one of these. You know, the reason why we are doing this is because we need to cut off the weight of our working tractor. So if you have one like the one I have here, then you need these handles. Yeah man, so keep on watching, following, subscribe to the channel Rotich the Legend. Please give a like to every video you watch. Make sure you share the video, and also you leave a comment down there. at the comment section.
So guys, now I've just brought in the tractor for installing the handles to check out if the handles are good enough for the working tractor, for whoever that has the same as this, so that whenever I bring you the handles, you will never be having any trouble to fit them, or actually no one can feed them except I now, because I'm the one who fabricated the handles, so I know what to change and what not to. So let's see. So all those handles are supposed to be fitted here, but one at a time. Okay, yeah man, so let's check it out again.